Did you know that up to 80% of what we taste is actually influenced by our sense of smell? Imagine if you can't taste your favorite burger, or your favorite Starbucks coffee, or your New York style pizza. Can you imagine a world where flavor fade and aroma disappear? Smell and taste, two senses we often take for granted, are vital to our quality of life. Up to 2 million Americans seek evaluation for smell and taste disorder every year. The management of nose and sinus disease is evolving rapidly, with groundbreaking innovation offering hopes to those who are affected. From novel surgical technique to revolutionary therapy, these advancements are transforming lives. Hi, I'm Dr. HARVEY, TRAN CEO and co-founder of Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital. Welcome to our number 46 open mic webinar. Our chairman of the Medical and Scientific Advisory Committee, Dr. Van Nguyen, who's a cardiologist and also medical director, he will present on the latest trend and development in nose and sinus disease.
I'm Christina Bear. Welcome to today's Business Minute.
Emerging Biotech Hedge Fund, Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital, we invest mainly in young growth biotech companies that have their lead drug in the preclinical stage or early product stage because they have much more growth potential. By investing in companies that are at the forefront of such innovation, we support the cause that will continue to deliver the hope and new drug and new technology that ultimately improve the quality of life for the patient.
Within 6 months, we have an over 40% return. So in the coming year, there's a chance of even grow up to multiple year-fold in a very short time.
Dr. Van started out by mentioning the statistic of nose and sinus disease. He then went into discussing the different type of nose and sinus disease. They include allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, deviated septum, nasal polyps. Dr. Van then went into discussing the different subtype of those nose and sinus disease separately.
You can see today we're going to talk about innovations and trends in management of nose and sinus diseases. Global impact, as you can see here, millions are affected worldwide. Average about 15 to 20% of global population being affected, depend on your geography and depend on seasons. Types of nose and sinus disease, as you can see here, the most common would be the allergic rhinitis, which we all encounter and all suffer from at times. And then sinusitis, when the allergic rhinitis may progress and being prolonged, result in sinus infection. And then we also have anatomy affecting the nasal polyps, result in the nasal polyp growing within our nasal cavity and causing issue down the road. And then structurally, we have genital condition or can be traumatic condition result in deviated septum. Of course, we also have neoplastic disease, which I'm going to defer that when we discuss oncological conditions.
Next, he moved into discussing the common or the prevalent treatment, which include the antihistamine, the nasal corticosteroid, surgical, so on and so forth.
The treatment for it, as you can see here, a variety of options. The first one, usually we start first would be eye drops, nasal spray, and then it becomes severe. We can consider allergic shots to desensitize the immune system. And then, of course, we use antihistamine, decongestants. Some of us, when you go see ear, nose, and throat physician or your family physician, may be prescribed nasal corticosteroids. And then if it's significant, our physician also refer us to using glucotriene receptor antagonists, glucotriene synthesis inhibitors. And you see some of the name here that are being used more and more nowadays. And then, of course, we also have sublingual immunotherapy, which is a new type of therapy to treat a variety of allergens. As you can see here, grass tech, which treats Timothy grass, Oralea, treating the allergic reaction to grass, and Racutech treat allergic reaction to ragweed, and Odactra to treat allergy to house dust mite. This type of treatment, it mainly allows body to gradually build up tolerance to this allergy. Not really eliminate the allergy, but to allow us to develop the tolerance to the allergic environment around us.
Shifting gears, often discuss about the potential or prospective investment. Our team, we discuss about the fact that a lot of the antihistamine, the nasal corticosteroid, are widely available over the counter and as well as generic. As such, if a company is trying to make the next antihistamine or the next nasal corticosteroid, the chance of that to be doing well on the market is next to nothing. For a company to do well, they need to have a novel, completely different, highly efficacious approach. We believe that the emphasis toward making new monoclonal antibodies that target different aspects of the immune system to lessen the response for the immune system, so that the patient who are afflicted by nose and sinus condition, they can tolerate the effect of the allergen. And we believe that it's much more fruitful for companies that are making novel monoclonal antibodies against the immune system, that they would deliver more efficacy toward treating this condition as well as lesser toxicity.
If you want to capture this lucrative opportunity while investing in innovation that deliver hope to the patient, but you either don't have time or you don't have the expertise, reach out to us, contact us. We'll schedule a call to see if we are the right fit for each other.